Hello, Konrad here. Just want to share my thoughts from working with Cynthia inside of her coaching program, which by no means was the best decision ever. So before working with Cynthia, I've been all around the place. I struggle with finding my direction, with gaining clarity, and then I wasn't sure if I can do this type of work in performance and paid media that she showed me how to really get results, and then how to structure accounts, how to work with clients. Then she showed me how to position myself on the market, and then how to charge accordingly. On the top of that, she was able to solve all of my mental roadblocks, all of the challenges that I got from just mm, lack of proper guidance before. And believe me, I did a lot of trainings, courses before, and Cynthia's program, it's one of its kind. There is nothing even close to it, because believe me, I got positive ROI even before starting her coaching, and then having calls with Cynthia, because she gives everything, like trainings, materials, which are worth way more than she charges for that training. So guys, like, this is no brainer. If you are serious about your career progress, development, you can save so much time. And I already got clients, I already got some job offers, and I'm super happy, super grateful for this cooperation, for this relationship. And guys, I just can say that Cynthia's approach, she's a great person, she's super honest, uh, she really listens, and she knows how to explain very complex ideas in approachable and very clear manner, which is not obvious. And then she's always there, she's approachable, she has so much experience in the field of marketing that that's probably the best person you can have in your network. So if you're struggling with making decisions, I can assure you that's the best investment you can ever make. Cheers.